got another Scorpco folding knife. Now this is the Scorpco JD2. Price there's $45, and that includes postage in Australia. And it is a really lightweight, 131 grams, 9.5 centimeter blade, and D2 steel, ball bearings, and it is absolutely beautiful. Smooth, comfortable. It's got a beautiful stonewash coating on it. I mean, that's just gorgeous. And I think I said the price, yeah, $45. And if you hear my dog in the background, she's out here with me today. So alright, we'll do a bit of feathering, and if I can find this stick will do. So comfortable to hang on to, and I've got pretty large hands and beautiful big handle. This is not a very good stick for feathering, but it's doing it. The grind on this is beautiful. Yeah, that's paper thin, beautiful. I like how it's got the 9.5 centimeter blade, so it's half centimeter bigger than most folding knives. I know you're not supposed to do this with folding knives, but I think I picked too big a stick for that. Oh, that's going to be hard to get out. There we go. And again, heaven still works. Beautiful, even after that. Hasn't rolled over on the edges, nothing. Yeah, I'm running out of hair on my arm. Still shaving sharp. So that's another high-end knife from Scorpco. And I don't know if I got the shaving in the that. Shaves away. Absolutely beautiful. Smooth ball bearings. Alright. So yeah, that's another awesome folding knife from the guys at Extreme Survival. I'll put a link in the description on where to get them. And they have heaps of cool products on their website. And they're always getting more and more stuff in. And this would make an awesome Christmas gift to any camper, outdoor enthusiast, hunter. It'll be great for all kind of tasks. So yeah, I'll if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want. If not, it's okay, and I'll catch you on the next video.